If you or a loved one needs care and you've established that you will need to pay some or all of the cost yourself, this makes you a self-funder. There are 9 main ways to pay for care, which I summarize in my video, Paying for Care as a Self-Funder. In this video, I will explain the advantages and disadvantages of the 5th of those 9 options, using liquid assets such as cash, savings, or income. If you have sufficient liquid assets and income to pay for care fees for the foreseeable future, this option may be considered for some or all of your care fees. In many cases, paying fees in this way will be alongside one of the 9 other ways of paying for care. This might be a good option for you if you have sufficient pension income, and that means you can readily access sufficient money. If you want to use your own savings or income to top up another method of paying for care, for example, if you decided to take out a deferred immediate needs annuity and are happy to cover the period of deferment via liquid assets, cash or income until the income stream from the annuity commences. If you have significant liquid assets or income and are prepared and able to cover the longevity risk of paying care fees over what could be a considerable period. However, there are occasions when paying for care from cash and or income may not be suitable. If the care fee payment period is likely to be considerable and there is a realistic possibility of running out of money, in that case the choice of care and location of the care will be at the discretion of your local authority. The main advantages of this funding option are that you're not open to investment risk. Your funds are readily accessible and there's no setup or ongoing fees or charges involved. Now the disadvantages, these include the fact that you're likely to get low rates of return on cash deposits, meaning the real value of your savings could be eroded over time by inflation. And this could result in you having insufficient money to pay the fees over time. It is best to consult an independent financial advisor, someone like myself who's accredited by SOLA as a later life accredited advisor. They can access and assess all possible ways for you to fund any care you may need in later life. They should build a lifetime cash flow, that's what I would do, that takes accounts of all your savings, investments and other assets and considers your income and expected expenditure for the rest of your life. It will help you evaluate each possible option. To find out about the other 8 main ways to pay for care, check out the show notes for links to other videos in this series. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. I'm Justin King and my aim is to help people to live successful lives. And that often involves understanding your money. If you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button to help more people like you find my channel, and check out the show notes for some useful links on the things I've discussed in this video. For now, I'm Justin King, helping you live your best life.